I agree with Xabi Alonso, Real Madrid. So, young fan say deal done. Omo and Jose Mourinho, Chelsea, Lucy, 1-0 at the Etia City. And the other issues will be episode here, a chassis Fribiano. It's you.
I think, sir, out of normal SEC weekend in answer, may highlights of the weekend. Yeah. The mentality of USM Orgers a free Algeria. A Koji CAF Confederations Cup in the free Zamalek for Nensem. Super story. In the first leg, our Algiers, Obi Oshe game no be able to say the final minutes of the game was a chaos. Zamalek a go. And Oma celebrate go no. Oma dwene mu nyina no. Time no omo share go no. Akakra bia ma yapon game no. To win say Oma nya away go. Ewo Algeria. E dey go back to Egypt Cairo. Go no referee na ji go no park na so. Rich. Then almost celebrating go na VAR. I catch a referee say in the build up to Zamalek goal, no, there seems to have been a foul. Ewo omu boxing him against USM Orgers player. Which then the celebration of the goal no cut short. Referee kojina VAR ho more than 5 minutes. Check it. Or turning by no. Or see go na Zamalek ashe no. Onji sa go ni mum, but waji penalty. Etiomo because in the build up the omu player na here no was a penalty stamp on the head. Wow. It's from Yashe go to conceding a penalty. Pa USM Orgers ashe penalty no. Yapon. Into USM Orgers the 1-0. Eko Cairo International Stadium. Zamalek phone is okay, no problem. Omu would say USM phone back Cairo. Omu be show maji Confederations Cup no. Ampo mobile ye starting game na pa Zamalek fast at your moka aggregate 1-1. Say be ya second goal ni be come no. E di mo say Confederations Cup no so say ye bo full first leg second leg na ye bo extra time. Into straight to penalties. Richard, the penalties in the share so. Penny question the quality of penalty kicks are USM Orgers for the combo. Even though away, all the odds against them supporters you and from humpo quality penalty. Omo de aje trophy no. From USM Orgers from Algeria, omako J CAF Confederations Cup no. Every Zamalek for Nsem ewo Cairo International Stadium ewo Egypt. Super story. Na enra we are 2 o'clock and a Sundowns so and a far Rabat at the first leg of the Champions League. She shares super freaky goal for Mamelodi Sundowns. Omu create a lot of other chances. Bonus here in Quatinenum. And to the 1-0 advantage and Elko Morocco to go and see say almost a bit me and to send USM Orgers the 1-0 every Algeria call Cairo no Sap Pepper and Sundowns so at the 1-goal lead on aggregate Echo in the second leg of the CAF Champions League. And correlations to Team FN USM Orgers from Algeria, their story and their mentality brutal. And I know say from any game na me share you know. Me say far about will be stubborn ofie. But Mamelodi Sundowns for now is superior pa and their mentality is elite. Say almost so ebetimi ahwe say ometimi age trophy. Nti Africa who Kotokone has a more Champions League in time where you will not pay attention. You will not pay attention, but African club football is on the elite level. I will say you feel the way I am born. Since a blue co for anybody. You see, I may say our time to do the Xabi Alonso discussion for a very, very long time. You any days. Since me first in some best me Kenya. Since I blew for never touch Chelsea, this is almost fit permanent coach. May ye interim for never permanent coaches are my form. Rich, out of the 5, I think say Ebimo will fail Chelsea as a club na by giving them the opportunity to coach. For instance, Obi say Graham Potter. Say who coach you Brighton and Hove Albion. Near say Beji Chelsea Jumaya. You quickly run to it
because it's an upgrade.
You think say it's an upgrade on your CV. Obi say Enzo Maresca. You are only coach Leicester. And to say Chelsea Jumani Baneka so ye de bemawa. Udre mi kane kwa coach. Because a upgrade on your CV. Liam the same. I think the only coach nani CV ye obehu Chelsea adwuma no as obia epen yonko and obia hian yonko probably will be Pochettino. Pen class na adwuma no wa ye over the years will be Pochettino. Now I want to know where I should put the Xabi Alonso one. Because Bayern for Leverkusen, Real Madrid, then Utifie. The next job in his mind would have been Liverpool. But it is becoming clear to Liverpool, so we will give an slot another shot. And I am called not knowing what to believe, say. A Juma Weber told Xabi Alonso National. A Chelsea ne hiano any expertise, and answer it is one of Liam Enzo Maresca de Nibia. Or did you say in the situation of Chelsea is a platform he can't say no into a buyer now. He needs to go and do the job. Rich, I think there's a balance. There's a balance between Chelsea offering him a very, very unique opportunity and what Xabi Alonso so the personality brings onto the job. It's a little bit above the Enzo Maresca Liam level. And the Pochettino Graham Potter level. Xabi Alonso is above Sa level. Again, no timing. Because Rich, Chelsea could have waited for after the World Cup. Then Obenya time to know World Cup no so coach is ben ye omadi. And or the omoba can less than one man 10. Then there were a lot of options to choose from. But Chelsea say want to mean try after the World Cup. And or per coach and you may ye. Senebeya planning for next season will start as early as possible. For me, Rich, the decision to name Xabi Alonso not as head coach but as manager now. The evidence is that I think the Chelsea hierarchy is so clear in their minds. Xabi Alonso is their man. Timing, they could have waited for the World Cup to be over, then get a lot of other options. Now, to do any more is okay. Anyway, yeah. But see, there be ye penisi omrantem, ye starting yentem. Now, uncle preseason proper, and my then ya, almost your young head coach, any manager. And do you know what that means? It means there's a little bit shift of power within Chelsea. Because there's a clear difference in the role of a manager, someone to head coach one. Now, once you name someone as a manager, it means you are saying even though you have other encofor in the offices of your sporting project now, there is one man that leads it, and he becomes the final of the sporting project. That is why you are calling him the manager. And TNA, all the Chelsea sporting directors, no more Juma. I heard there are 5 people. Juma in the office of the sporting project. You know, Rich, the senior head coach, manager. They are working with a manager. So, with decisions, with data, with BBR, you must convince the manager to agree with you. Because the back stop with him when it comes to the Chelsea sporting project. That is good. Sir, at least since a blue cophone by sir shift of power no is good because they be attacker say, Rich, you can't be doing the same thing and expect a different results. And to the moment I say structurally, obi a change be monumental no. A Chelsea for the first time. Obasa odane ne ho kakra hwe se e bia na de wi ano wo ye ne no ma na e ma ne resource no o change a e bia na bibi fufuo bi atimi aba. Now me last thing America and he say I think say the first sieve what is Alonso be femo hwe se if Chelsea have made the right appointment e no more yamba be bobo si Rich. No matter the players at Chelsea kwako for maba. The biggest problem of the club is omuchenyi coaches and they say they want to win. And yes, ya tonkra. Yes, ya ma target G League. But the reason why they've been changing and they say when they don't win, they will change. And say Chelsea per coach. The first thing I want to say, who person analyzing if they've gone for the right person, if the person have a winning mentality, does it bring a winning spirit to the team? Rich, Alonso Nkochi, top flight and chair. But Rich, he has a very, very rich winning ratio. Very, very rich. I saw, I think, was it Live Score? Do a graphic and they were saying that he's top 3
when coaches are
yes in terms of winning in the last 3-4 years. He's top 3 and see it's how the kind of mentality look at the Leverkusen team that he turned into a winning team. It's Uglu Germany Oboronani Bayern say ubetimi build a team to unseat Bayern. In the first scene, as Alonso here, you know, Rich, you can't take that for granted at all. So, you have fair analysis to him about him having a winning mentality. You can't take that away from him. Number 2, Amusio, Maresca was okay in the dressing room. Maresca problem now was with the hierarchy minimum. But in the dressing room, Liam had a problem with the players or dressing room because now on suddenly a lot of command. Rich, what brings someone into the dressing room now or command no even before or baby and so bekasa? Now bro born in the personality. And Xavi Alonso highly respected person. And minim the any of the Chelsea players a person omo achieve as Xavi Alonso achieve as a player. Inti coach wajije nioma as a player to say no he was fantastic. And it's Ojina he inspires you as your future. And Bibia who dream to achieve Biano what achieve be as a player. And it's a name prepare who situation, you know. Look, his personality exudes respect. And the dressing room problem of na yen said Liam ye entina ebobi ni ho menye sure say beto Xabi Alonso. Then the last thing, Confosio Chelsea dressing room no more adwen player power, player politics. Rich, Xabi Alonso is coming to Chelsea, haven't learned that at the best club that does the Mokase Ewa Chelsea. No. There is no club in this world and the dressing room egos at Real Madrid. There is no club in the world and the dressing room politics at Real Madrid. He had gone there, experienced it firsthand, You think he's coming to Chelsea without any lessons learned? He has learned from the best. And Odeba. And he said, "Our dressing room few months ago with Vinicius, Mbappe, Rudiger, Valverde, Rich Courtois, Danny Carvajal, na Otisi Chelsea. You see, there will be a player in the Chelsea dressing room with bigger egos than what he was managing at Real Madrid. No.
Okay.
And he comes in good. Maybe you'll feel the FFA. Diaka ASA, Rich, in the shift of power, no, how is it going to work? Because this is the first time since Bluko for the buyer. No? And Lawrence Money Yimono, how are they going to adapt to a manager? Why and all those things? And how we see Alonso himself going to put together the Chelsea team and build the competitive team now will be expected. Obetimi are building from Chelsea. You know, I think say
okay.
We will come and analyze the rest of Neoma. I was saying Arsenal
against Burnley.
They'll win.
League in the Arsenal Jerry.
Sir,
we will be 2 matches now. Kana Arsenal dealing with the
last time we saw the law, Michano or a front deck so. And I'm saying okay, so league names.
League names.
And me who I'm so say there be Biago, Matawe Chiama. And also there be a yes, I can't no man get no man get or so
Burnley relegated.
So I was say Burnley near Crystal Palace. I'm seeing him. Beating Burnley or Emirates shouldn't be a problem today. Na say Arsenal season in Rich, Yakase Kosehos Park.
Kose Crystal Palace.
But one final game with Crystal Palace beat them. Nayan tam EPL trophy ni mo. That's Arsenal. So muntimi yes adia na.
Any so ma.
Any told you mo.
Emefi na brand ko na yemfa fisem